Hai. Hai again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, kita para wanita ni harus kena ingat kita punya adab sebagai seorang wanita.
Keluar sis.
Rambut Sazah terkeluar. Hi again darlings. Okay, hari tu Faz dah tunjukkan and share with everyone macam mana Faz buat makeup untuk Faz nak ke office. But today I'm going to share with you my go-to look bila Faz nak keluar meetings or on the go, running errands ataupun jumpa with my friends. So today I have plans untuk pergi lunch dengan my friends and do a little bit of shopping. So Faz akan tunjuk macam mana Faz buat makeup. Okay, so first things first, sebelum Faz apply apa-apa makeup, Faz akan apply wonder cream dulu. Without wonder cream ni, makeup takkan jadi secantik mana yang Faz mahukan dan kita semua impikan. Kerana bila pakai makeup ni, tak ada primer yang bagus, makeup kita cepat pecah, and then kulit akan nampak berminyak dan akan nampak cakey. So this wonder cream bukan sahaja dapat mencerahkan kulit, tapi it acts as the best makeup primer ever, kerana ianya dapat buat skin kita nampak smooth dan ia prevent our skin daripada nampak berminyak, dan your makeup will last sampai malam. So I love it. Faz apply tadi sebelum Faz apply makeup. So today I already have a little bit of makeup on my face. All I need to do now is to add a little bit of blush. So Faz nak tunjukkan yang kita punya matte lippy by Fazura Beauty ni bukan sahaja bertindak sebagai matte lippy, tapi ianya juga dapat digunakan sebagai blusher ataupun eyeshadow. So I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so just buka and then use a brush, then dab it a bit on your tangan so that you get just the right amount on your pipi. Okay, so Faz akan apply sikit je, not too much. See, dia macam lightly je. Now that I dah dapat the rosy cheeks, so now Faz akan use matte lippy juga as eyeshadow. I'm going to use mascara. Mascara ni warna dia sangat best. Dia macam not purple-ish, but dia macam rosy dusty pink macam tu. So letak on your hand, lepas tu just dab kat mata. Sikit-sikit je. Cantik sangat colour dia. So kalau pakai ni je dekat mata, tak payah tambah apa-apa dah. See? It's so amazing. Okay, tak cukup. So I'm going to apply a bit more. I love this colour dekat bibir, dekat mata. Buat tu. The best part is it stays sampai malam. So you can pakai this from day to night. Okay, so next, today Faz tak nak pakai matte lippy for my lips, but I'm going to use glow lippy as my lip color, lip balm, and also lip gloss. And I'm going to show you the color is sangat-sangat cantik, rich, and very moisturizing. So just apply. Today I'm using Fearless because I am feeling fearless today. So Faz akan pakai. Tengok texture dia. Siapa ada masalah kulit kering, this will be your complete solution. Kalau nak intense lagi, boleh tambah lagi atas ni. So moisturizing and glossy. There you go. Inilah Faz punya look bila Faz nak keluar running errands, meeting and lunch with my friends. Okay, I hope you enjoy tips daripada Faz sedikit sebanyak ini. And don't forget to try Fazura Beauty punya glow lippy and also matte lippy. Sending you all lots of love and have a lovely day.